Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yum burger sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Don't forget a teaspoon of pickle relish or finely diced pickles, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. These simple items are the foundation of our delicious sauce. Now, let's get mixing. In a small bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Use a whisk to thoroughly blend these ingredients together until they are smooth and uniform. This creates the creamy, tangy base for your yum burger sauce, ensuring a consistent flavor throughout. Next, it's time to add those signature flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pickle relish or finely diced pickles for a delightful crunch and tangy kick. Then, add a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar to balance the acidity and a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar for an extra bright note. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are perfectly incorporated. Your yum burger sauce is almost ready. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen, creating that truly yum taste. Once chilled, generously spread your homemade sauce on burgers, sandwiches, or even use it as a dip. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.